Today we're going to take a look at the Govee Dreamcolor RGBIC LED strips. You can get these on Amazon for less than $25. I'll throw a link up in the description. Taking a look at the right side of the box, you have a set timer, DIY scenes, and it's safe to use. Taking a look at the left side of the box, you have a Govee app. You can adjust the brightness and it has music mode, which is really cool. On the back of the box, you have model number H6125, 16.4 feet, 12 volts, 2 amps, 24 watts of power. Getting into the box, we have a satisfactions card. If you like the product, you can share it on Amazon, leave a review. If you don't like it, you can contact them. You have a disclaimer pamphlet, a user manual, and a installation guide. I'll get into this video on how to set these RGB strips up properly so they'll be able to stay up a lot longer. That right there is how to properly set up a corner like on a TV. You put it in a loop and then you apply some sticky brackets. Here are the RGB strips themselves, very nicely packaged. It comes with a nice white remote with a 3M adhesive on the back to stick on any surface that is clean. You have a nice subtle click to all these buttons as well. You have a power on, a changing color, and a music mode button on this device itself. Govee made it very easy to be able to pair these together. No arrow to arrow, you just plug it in and you're good to go. It comes with an alcohol prep pad to be able to clean the surface before mounting the strips. It also comes with mounting screws and mounting clips. So I believe this one is the music mode. So this is the microphone right here, and any song, any movie, any sound can be played on here and it'll catch it up, as you can see. And it's going to my voice right now, so that's really cool. And you're not supposed to keep these reeled up, but I'm going to do it for a little bit. But as you can see, it has a nice like effect to it. Like there's multiple colors going on throughout the strip. Like this part's blue, this part's purple, and different colors. It's not all one solid color, which I like about these strips. You can also change the color here. So you got white, like a warmer white, red, yellow, like a lime green, green, blue, teal, or like a light blue, whatever you want to call it. Purple. I'll turn these off. Another white. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So that's what you can. This is technically the remote if you end up losing your phone. I don't know. But yeah, so you have the power on button, and then you have this, which is music mode, which is pretty cool. So I really like the functionality of this. It's very simple, very modern, and yeah. So overall, this, I rate it a 10 out of 10 for excellence, for easy use, really good. I'm gonna go ahead and set them up right now in my sister's room, and I'll get back to you guys in a little bit. So you just dust your area off and then go with the alcohol prep pad after and clean it. Then use bracket. I put it on like this. Then you can just plug it into an outlet or a surge protector. Mount it. I put an extra thumbnail there, and the microphone's on the left side, so I flipped it, but it still is very sensitive, which is really good. This microphone is really well. So I'm just showing you, I put the brackets pretty much one on each end, and then in the middle I put one on this corner instead of the other corner, and then I put one in the middle, and then at the end of the strip. So this is one of the modes. This is my favorite mode out of all of them. This is something that you can do that is way different than the other ones. So we're going to get into the app. There's a ton of things that you could do on this. And because it's RGBIC, it means independent control, which means you can do segments of different strips. That's how I was doing the color change, like that. So you have sunrise, sunset, you have movie, dating, romantic, twinkle, just flashes different colors. Candlelight, this one's like a breathing flame basically. Energetic, breathe, it will just breathe through whatever color you pick. Snowflake, I like the animation of this one, it's pretty cool and unique, so it just does that. And then we have crossing, and you can do DIY to change them. And rainbow, which is my favorite, it's color chasing. You can also change the colors that chase each other. You have 4 different types of music mode. So this one's energetic type, which is it flashes different colors each beat. This one is drums, so literally just a beat, like boom boom boom. This one is spectrum. This one's pretty cool. It goes like however loud it goes. And then finally you have rolling, which is my favorite. It is really amazing. And by the way, you can play any song on this. It doesn't have to be on the app. You just, as long as the microphone is getting picked up, you can change the sensitivity of the microphone as well. I like to keep it on the max because it's better. So yeah, you can do anything. And then you can segment different colors. So if you want one part of the strip to be at a certain color, you can do that. I'm just going to do a red, white, and blue here. There we go. And then this one is on gradient, which I didn't know what gradient did, but it basically blends the colors in between. So like red and white, it'll blend in between those, and it'll give you like a pink. And then you can change all of them to the same color if you wanted to. You don't have to do it like that. You can do it a different way. You can also do this specific colors as well. You can also do warm white, cool white, which is really cool. You have so many different flexibility with these strips, not just a solid color if you want. And then you can also do a color wheel, which gives you super accurate colors. Like this is really accurate. Some of the strips on Amazon don't go this accurate, but this is really accurate. So as you can see, they go like really good, dark, nice, rich colors. And these strips are really bright. There's only one 16.4 foot one, but it makes a 40-foot room like pretty much really bright. And right here you can also do the light on and light off, which is amazing because you don't have to control it. And once Apple releases widgets on iOS 14, you can add it to your homepage. So this is the gradient I was talking about. This is with no gradient on it, and it looks better. And then this is with the gradient on. It obviously just blends them, so you can do that for any color. I will have 2 links in the description for Amazon, so go check those out in the description. These strips are really amazing. You will not be disappointed if you end up buying them. They do so many different features. I couldn't go through all of them, but if you guys do have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll be answering every single one of them. Even if there's like a million, I'll answer every single one of them. But check these out. These are really nice and amazing. I highly recommend you to buy them.